Microwave Bhindi. Preparation time 12 minutes. Cooking time 10 minutes. This microwave bhindi recipe is a delicious, quick and easy to make sabzi for the whole family. You will need the following ingredients to put this dish together. Combine 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of amchur, 1½ tablespoon of dhania, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a bowl and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to the slit bhindi and mix well. Then stuff the slit bhindi with the earlier made mix. Place the stuffed bhindi into a deep round microwavable casserole. Cover with a lid and microwave on high for 5 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a gourmet bowl. Add half a teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of rai, half a teaspoon of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi to the hot oil. Then add onions into the vessel and stir for some time till the onions turn golden brown. Add the microwaved stuffed bhindi to the onions and mix well. Please add additional salt if required. Garnish with tomatoes and coriander and serve hot.